Hi guys, welcome to my grocery haul for this week. I just picked up everything from Walmart in my grocery pickup. I'm going to share with you what I got along with the meals that we're going to have this week. So if you need some meal planning motivation, some grocery shopping motivation, I've got you covered in this video. We're having some awesome stuff for dinners this week. I'll share with you in just a second. But I'm really excited. I was under budget. If you've been around my channel, you know I like to spend $200 a week each week for my family of four, me and my husband and my two boys. So this week I was at $175. So I love being under budget. It's like my favorite thing. So I will share with you everything we got, what we're having. If you're new to my channel and you want some meal planning inspiration, make sure you click subscribe. Let me show you everything we got for this week. Okay, so here are all of the groceries. Like I said, $175 this week. Being under budget is my favorite, of course. So when I was doing our grocery order yesterday, Benjamin, my son, he jumped on the computer next to me and he picked out a few things. So we got some extra fruit this week. We definitely do a lot of fruit, and he wanted to get some kiwis this week. So he was kind of clicking away on some things, but we got kiwis. We got strawberries. I put the strawberries in the boys' lunches. We got grapes. I usually don't like to get grapes because they're so expensive, but we definitely had room in the budget, so got some grapes. Lots and lots of avocados in here. I'm going to make guacamole this weekend. I have a lot of leftover tortilla chips from Easter, so I'm going to do some guacamole. Got some limes right here. It's kind of hard to see in the bag. We got some limes for the guacamole. I like to squeeze a little lime in there. Lots of bananas. We go through a lot of bananas. Got some lettuce for salads, some mushrooms. I'm going to do a chicken marsala this week for one of our dinners. 2 things of vanilla light Greek yogurt. Love this for snacks. Another one of our snacks that we absolutely love is cottage cheese. So I like this one. It's the small curd. I like it better than the large one. So one of those, some yogurt tubes. My boys like these frozen. And so I put them in the freezer and they have them for dessert if they have a good dinner. Lots of apples. We do the pink lady apples. They're our favorite. Lots of cheese. I got 2 things of edamame. I still had a lot of veggies left over that were still fresh from last week. Still have some broccoli and some asparagus from last week. So just got some edamame. I love this. It's great for snacking as well. You just steam it in this bag. So got 2 of these. I got our favorite collagen. So I used to get this on Amazon on the subscribe and save, and they would just send it to me. But it's actually cheaper through Walmart. So I've been getting it lately through my grocery pickup. But this collagen is really great for hair, skin, nails. It's tasteless, so I add it to my tea in the morning. My husband adds it to his smoothies. I have this marsala wine. Like I said, I'm going to do chicken marsala one night. 2 things of black beans. Needed some to stock up the pantry. Some ranch seasoning mix. I'm going to do a cracked chicken in the crock pot one night this week for dinner because I have some leftover bacon from last week. I have a lot of leftovers from last week, so that's why our budget was pretty low this week, because I'm going to use a lot of stuff that we already had. I have some Swiss cheese and some ham. I'm going to make some Hawaiian roll sliders. I have an extra pack of those left over from Easter, so just love little Hawaiian roll sliders. So super good. Some cheddar cheese we do a lot of chicken sandwiches with cheese. Salami is what I put in Zachary's lunch. He loves salami, or some diced up grilled chicken is usually what I put in his lunches for school. I got 2 things of tuna. I have been loving tuna lately, and my husband eats it also for lunch. So 2 4-packs of tuna. I got 2 water enhancers this week. If you've been around my channel, you know how much I love these. I get them like almost every week. This is the pineapple mango. It is really good. And then this one has extra electrolytes, which we always love that. And it's the mixed berry flavor. I am obsessed with these. I'm trying to kind of like wean myself off of them, but they are so good. So got 2 of those this week. The waffle mix that I use for the boys, Kodiak mix. So I have been getting this lately. It is 15 grams of protein per serving. So Way higher, way higher in protein than like any other like brand of waffle mix. So I love that. And I think it's, you know, just healthier for my kids. If they're going to have waffles, might as well make them high in protein. 2 things of almond milk. My husband uses these for his like protein shakes. This is the 30 calorie original, like unsweetened. Gallon of milk, 2 18 packs of eggs. We go through a lot of eggs. Pack of sandwich thins from my husband's lunches. I got some salmon here we'll have for dinner one night this week, and 2 packs of just regular chicken breasts. Like I said, I'm going to do a couple chicken recipes. I'm going to do them in the crock pot this week, and then we will grill up a pack for like salads and sandwiches and everything. So those are the groceries and everything. Here is my little list of dinners. Sunday, we're going to do barbecue chicken and edamame. Monday, I'm going to do chicken marsala in a crock pot. Tuesday, Taco Tuesday. We are always busy on Tuesdays, and so I make ahead taco meat and freeze it. So we have taco meat in our freezer. Speaking of freezer foods, this weekend on Sunday, I'm going to be doing a video of all freezer meal prepping. So I'm going to be making a ton of stuff. Make sure you come back on Sunday and check out that video. It is going to be super awesome. I am very excited for that video. Wednesday, I'm going to do the crock pot cracked chicken. It's absolutely delicious. Anything with bacon and ranch is delicious. Salmon on Thursday, spaghetti and meatballs on Friday. My kids just have been loving spaghetti and meatballs. We've been having them once a week, I think, lately. And Saturday, I forgot to write it down, but we have a birthday party to go to for our family. I'm going to do the guacamole that day. So, oh, I didn't mention I got these marshmallows over here. So these are, if my kids eat a good dinner, they get a choice between 10 mini marshmallows or one of these yogurt tubes. And so I'm always like, oh, 10 marshmallows, that's a lot. And then I put it in a tiny little bowl and it looks like nothing. So I like these. I don't even, they're kind of low in calories, 90 calories for 2/3 of a cup, and 17 grams of sugar. Kind of a lot, but there's worse things out there. So these are the groceries. That's the meal plan. Hope this gave you some motivation to plan your meals out. Do one grocery haul and make sure you use everything you get with your groceries. That's why I make a list, and I like to order ahead, order online on the app, and know everything we're getting and what we're going to use everything for. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Hope that you're having a really great week. I will see you in my next video. Like I said, on Sunday, freezer meal prep. I am super excited, so make sure you come back, check that out this weekend. I'll see you all later. Bye-bye.